Good morning to all. In the today's class, we'll solve one more numerical on Chebyshev filter. Right. So take a numerical design a Chebyshev one filter to meet the following specification. To meet the following specification. Following specifications. So in that the passband ripple is given. Passband ripple is given, that is less than or equal to 2 dB. Passband edge is given. One radian per second. Stop band attenuation is given. (20 dB) stop band attenuation, and last one is stop band edge. It is nothing but 1.3 radian per second. So this is the given the specification for the particular filter, that is nothing but Chebyshev filters. We have to design it. So given data is passband ripple is given 2 dB, passband edge is 1 radian per second, stop band attenuation is 20 dB, and stop band edge is 1.3 radian per second. So plot the diagram. See here. It will look like this. Here it is 0 dB, and the passband ripple, that is nothing but Kp is equal to minus 2 dB. So the value is given 1 radian per second. Here omega p is nothing but 1 radian per second. The next one is Ks is given, that is nothing but 20 dB. Ks is nothing but minus 20 dB. Here, so what is that value? 1.3 radian per second. So for this we have to find the order first, right, and after that find the final transfer function, right. So this is the given data. For this one, first we have to find the we have the some formulas. Remember, the first one I will write it. So yes, Kp is equal to, remember, Kp is equal to, we have the formula 20 log of 1 divided by square root of 1 plus epsilon square. Alright. So what is the Kp value? Kp value is minus 2. So minus 2 is equal to 20 log of 1 plus square root of 1 plus epsilon square bracket square. So take this side, minus 2 by 20 log is there, so take this side, so it will be e raised to 1 divided by 1 plus epsilon square. Use the calci, minus 2 divided by 20, we got 1 by minus 1 by 10. So if I want to find this value, alright, so press log, shift log and answer is equal to, we got this value is nothing but 0.7943. So if I take inverse of this one, I will get square root of 1 plus epsilon square. Take the inverse, so you will get 1.2589. If I take square of this one, I will get 1 plus epsilon square. So square of this one, I got 1.58 1.5848 minus 1 is equal to epsilon square. So minus 1. So you will get 0.5848. So square root of answer is nothing but 0.7647. 0.7646. Yeah. So epsilon is equal to 0.7647. Take the 4 digit, make it 4 digit. So you got epsilon value is nothing but 0.467647. Once you have calculated, the next one is you have to find the second formula. You have to find the delta P value. We have the equation delta P 1 minus 1 divided by square root of 1 plus epsilon square. We have the formula, just we have to find the delta P value. So substitute the values, bracket square plus 1 square root of answer inverse 1 minus answer. You will get delta P is equal to 0.2056. Check the value using calci, 0.2056. Once you have calculated delta P, the next formula we know, that is we have to find the Ks. Ks is equal to 20 log of delta S. Alright, so here Ks we know, it is a Ks value 20 dB. Right, 20 dB. So minus 20 divided by 20 log of delta S. Minus 20 by 20 is minus 1. E raised to minus 1 is nothing but delta S. Use the calci. E raised to minus 1 is nothing but 10 raised to minus 1. 10 raised to minus 1 is nothing but 0.1. So I will write delta S is equal to 0.1. This is the third step. Fourth step, we have to find the discrimination factor. Discrimination factor. D is equal to square root of 1 minus delta P minus 2 minus 1 divided by delta S minus 2. Is it correct? Yes. Here it is also minus 1. Use the calci. We know the delta phi value is 0.2056, delta S is 0.1, and take the complete the square root, so is equal to square root of 1 minus 0.2056 raised to minus 2 minus 1 divided by delta S is 0.1 raised to minus 2 minus 1. Compute the value here. What is the value here? We'll get 0.077. That is nothing but D. The next one, selectivity factor. Selectivity factor. Selectivity factor. K is equal to. We have one more formula. The simple formula, that is nothing but omega P by omega S. What is the omega P value? 1, and omega S is 1.3. So 1 divided by 1.3, we'll get 0.769. K is equal to 0.769. Once you have computed K value, the next step is we have to find the order of the system, right? So order of the system, we have to find it. So how to find the order of the system? So the order of the filter, the order of the filter is n is equal to cos hyperbolic of 1 by d, that is nothing but discrimination factor, divided by cos hyperbolic of 1 by k. So how to use this one in calci? So see here, shift hyperbolic of cos. So cos inverse, shift to cos inverse of hyperbolic. Yes, here in the calci, if I want a cos hyperbolic, shift cos inverse and press hyperbolic. See here once again, shift cos inverse, that is cos, shift cos, you will get cos inverse, right? After that, the next digit, so hyperbolic is there. So in that, sin hyperbolic, second one is cos hyperbolic, tan hyperbolic, sin hyperbolic inverse, cos hyperbolic inverse, tan hyperbolic inverse is there. So our for this particular numerical, we have to use cos hyperbolic. So press 5. So in that, remove the cos term, that one is not required. So shift hyperbolic of that is 5. Substitute the value 1 by d. What is 1 by d? 1 by d is nothing but 1 divided by 0.077. So you will get around 3.2556 divided by shift cos hyperbolic 5. So delete it. 1 by k. What is the k value? 1 divided by 0.769. Here it is 0.7569. 3.2556 divided by answer. So you will get 4.3. So n is equal to, go for a next order. So n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. So go for the 4.3 is there. Just choose the higher order. That is nothing but 5. After that, once you have calculated order of the filter, uh, next task is we have to find the constant terms a and b value. Right, a and b value. See here, a is equal to, the formula is simple, 1 divided by 2 into the bracket square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus epsilon square divided by epsilon raised to 1 by n. 1 by n minus 1 by 2, 1 plus square root of 1 plus epsilon square divided by epsilon raised to 1 by minus 1 by n. Remember, once you have computed this value, just you will get easily the answer. So substitute the values. 1 by 2, 1 plus square root of 1 plus, what is the epsilon value? Epsilon value is 0.76, bracket square, 7647, 0.76 is fine. So epsilon 1 by n, what is the n value? 5. So 1 divided by 5 minus 1 by 2, 1 plus square root of 1 plus 0.76 bracket square divided by what is the epsilon? Here it is also 0.76, here it is also 0.76 raised to minus 1 by 5. Compute the value here. So use the calci, and if you compute, you will get a is equal to 0.2183. Once you have calculated a value, so also you have to find the b value. Right? B formula is same. B is nothing but 1 by 2, 1 plus square root of 1 plus epsilon square divided by epsilon raised to 1 by n. Here it is minus sign is there. Here we have to take it as a positive. So positive 1 by 2 square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus epsilon square divided by epsilon raised to minus 1 by n. So if you do this one, substitute the values, we will get b is equal to 1.023. Next one, once I calculated, we have to find delta k and omega k. So one more formula is there. So delta k is equal to minus a sine 2k minus 1 divided by into pi by 2n. The next one, a sine, yes, omega k is equal to one more b cos b cos 2k minus 1 pi by 2n. These formulas we have, right? So these formulas, use these formulas and find the poles, right? Find the poles. Find the poles, that is nothing but k delta k. This is the real part and this is the imaginary part, right? Because here b cos, this is sine, cos theta minus j sin theta, like that, right? Minus j sin theta, like that. So k equal to, what is the order? 5. So because of that I will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Order is 5. So I will take k equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put it in the calci. Suppose here k equal to 1 minus a sin k equal to 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 1, how much? 2 minus 1 is 1. So that time sin pi by 10. Pi by 10 is nothing but how much? Pi is 180. 180 by 10. 180 by 10 is nothing but 18, right? Sin 18 degree, right? So after that just multiply, you will get the answer. So, or else if you are kept it in the radian, there is a no problem, right? So just you go for the values, that is pi divided by 10, right? 0.03 you will get it something, right? So substitute the values and compute the answer, you will get minus 0.00746. Here it is 0.9734, 0.1766, 0.06016, minus 0.2183. So here we will get 0, minus 0.1766, minus 0.6016, minus 0.0674, minus 0.9734. So any one value I will show, right? So if you want to calculate any value, so I will take it for this value. So delta 1, because k equal to 1, minus a. What is the a value? A value we have computed 0.2183. 0.2183 sine of k equal to 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So that is nothing but pi by 2n. Pi by 2n. 2 into 5. N is equal to 5. So use the calci. See here, shift pi divided by 10, sine of answer into minus 0.2183. Yeah, 0.067458. That is nothing but. Put it in the calci. See here, sine of shift pi divided by 10. You will get 0.3090 into minus 0.2183. You will get the answer. Only the thing is complex and radian mode. Complex and radian mode. Put it in the complex and radian mode, you will get the answer. Similarly, for omega 1, so what is the formula? B cos. What is the B value? 1.023. K equal to 1. So that is nothing but cos of pi by 10. So 1.023 into cos of ship pi divided by 10. You will get 0.9510 into 1.023. If you make it 0.9734, yes. Right. So calculate, you will get it. So once you have calculated the omega k and delta k, once you have calculated, so I will write the final equation. Final equation. Final equation, that is nothing but h order is 5, the transfer function is equal to, we have the equation 1 divided by s minus s1, s minus s2, s minus s3, s minus s4, s minus s5. Right? So after that, see here, 1 divided by, use the values, s minus, what is that value? Point, minus, I will use the, here I will take plus, point, minus plus, minus 0.067, minus 0.607, this minus and this minus, it will be plus 674646. The plus is there, so we have to take minus because of this one. Minus JR 0.9734, 0.9734. This is the first pole. The next one, S plus 0.1766, this value, minus minus plus, and minus 0.6016, minus JR 0.6016. Take the next one, S plus 0.218, 0.2183. The second term is 0. The second term is 0. S plus 0.1766, 0.1766 plus, because minus minus plus 0.6016. The last one, S plus 0.06074, minus is that, plus J of 0.9734. 0.9734. Make the simplification. And write the final equation. After simplifying, this is also fine. If you are written, this much is fine. Right? You will get the, out of 10, you will get 9 marks. Right? So, the final simplification, if you want, I will show you here. So, 0.08172. This is the fine. Right? So, if you have time, you can compute this one. S raised to 5 plus 0.7064 s raised to 4 plus 1.499 s cube 0.693 s square plus 0.4593 s plus 0.08172. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Just check it. See here once again, whatever the numerical steps I will tell, whatever the Chebyshev filter design, uh, pass band is given, stop band is given, right? So pass band attenuation is given, stop band edge is given, plot the signal, right? That is nothing but Kp, Ks, omega P, omega S. Four values are given, right? So if the four values are given, the first step is we have to find the epsilon value, right? Epsilon value, if I want to find, we have the equation Kp is equal to we have the equation, right? So we have the equation, we have to use it and get the answer, right? Kp is equal to what is that formula? 20 log of 1 divided by 1 plus epsilon square. So by this one you will get the epsilon value. Find the K value. Once I calculated K value, the next one is you have to find the delta P, 1 minus 1 divided by square root of 1 plus epsilon square. So whatever you are calculated, no? So here you are calculating epsilon. Use this one and calculate the delta P value. Once you have calculated delta P value, we have the one more equation, Ks is equal to 20 log of delta S. Ks we know, find the delta S. Find this one. Right. So once I calculated delta S, next one is find the D value, discrimination factor. That is nothing but square root of 1 minus dou P raised to minus 2 minus 1 divided by delta S raised to minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. Use this one and find, and Kp is equal to omega P by omega S. Once you have calculated D and K, you have to find order of the filter. That is nothing but cos hyperbolic inverse of 1 divided by D divided by cos hyperbolic inverse of 1 divided by K. Once you have calculated this one, the next one is you have to find constant terms. So A is equal to, you have the formula 1 by 2 square root of 1 plus, right? Yeah. 1 plus square root of 1 plus epsilon square divided by epsilon raised to 1 by n, that is n is nothing but order, so use this one here, minus 1 by 2 1 plus square root of 1 plus epsilon square divided by epsilon raised to 1 by minus n. And if I want to calculate B, so here minus is there, so only have to use plus. Once you have calculated A and B, the last calculation is we have to find omega K and delta K values. So again we have the two more formulas. For this one we have the minus A sine 2k minus 1 into pi by 2n. Alright, so here B cos 2k minus 1 divided by pi by 2n. So if a order is 4, so you calculate 4 values, k equal to 1, k equal to 2, k equal to 3, k equal to 4, if order is 4. If order is 5, calculate the 5 values. Once I calculated 5 values, just put it in the format, right? And if you want, you can make the further simplification. Clear? So next class we'll see about the Windows techniques. Last one class is now right? So if you have any doubts, you can ask it in the WhatsApp. Thank you.